They say happiness can't be bought, but they have never watched cheese melt slowly over fresh dough. This pizza didn't rush life, it enjoyed every layer. So we are
From
coming to
simple
blend
dough
our
to joyful
ingredients
moments,
to
keep
make
watching.
our tomato sauce for our pizza. So now our onion and our oil is on the pan. Our blended ingredient is also blended. Let's make tomato sauce for our pizza.
Kiwi, ginger powder, half teaspoon of sugar. I'm adding ketchup. Adding ketchup so that it will have a taste. I'm adding 1 chicken stock and the ketchup. Curry powder. We are coming to make pizza. Two teaspoons of sugar. A pinch of salt to taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fresh yogurt. No, it's not by force, it's optional. Yeah, if you feel like you want to add fresh yogurt, you can also add. If you feel like I'm adding vanilla essence. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of yeast. I'm adding 1 cup of flour. The flour is already sieved, so I will mix them together.
This is where everything begins. Before the sauce, before the topping, before the cheese stretch, I am building the foundation. Every good pizza, like every dream, needs a strong foundation. So I take my time with this dough because what you rush will never rise right.
This is sweet cheese and bitter cheese. This is coriander.
Now I let the dough rest, not because I am done, but because growth needs patience. Even when nothing seems to be happening, something is rising inside. So now we are coming to roll and cut into mini shape. So as we are coming to start, I remind myself that pressure is not punishment, it's preparation. Each push makes it smoother, each fold makes it stronger. Just like life, what you work on consistently always improves. I'm shaping it small but with purpose. Big things don't always start big. Sometimes greatness comes in mini sizes. Who needs big pizza when mini does the magic? Tiny pizza, huge mood booster. Blink and it's gone. That's how good it is. Mini pizza that disappears faster than it cools. Sauce first because life needs flavor. Don't rush it. Spread the happiness. This dough is about to glow up. A little sauce, a lot of magic. Turning plain dough into pizza dreams. Cheese time. This is my favorite part. Say cheese and add more. Cheese makes everything better, even bad days. If there is cheese, there is joy. This pizza understand me. Calories don't count when it's homemade. I came, I saw, I added cheese. Mini pizza, maximum happiness. Every layer I add is progress. Start gently. Good things grow step by step. I am building something beautiful from scratch. This is my time to create. Small efforts always lead to something great. This mini pizza deserves richness in everything inside here. Adding more love, one layer at a time. I am not rushing. Good things take time. What I am making today will bring joy. I believe in what my hands can create. This is where the pizza starts to speak. The bread gave me structure, but the sauce gives it life. Just like in life, skills give you a base, but passion gives you taste. I spread it gently, covering every part because consistencies matter. Now I'm adding my toppings. Not too much, not too little, just balance. Everyone's pizza is different, and that's okay. What matters is choosing what fits you, not what everyone else is using. Now the cheese is still doing the topping, the layer that brings everything together. It melts the effort, the patience, and the choice into one. This is the moment where everything starts to make sense. More cheese, more happiness. Never skip this step. Great taste doesn't need to be big to be powerful. This mini pizza reminds us passions makes anything special. Cook with love and even the smallest pizza shines. From simple dough to joyful moments. Small in size, mighty in flavor. Mini pizza, maximum happiness. Every bite tells a cheesy story. Little pizza, big cravings. Prove that good things come in small circles. Nothing is wasted here. Leftover though, new purpose. Sometimes what is left behind becomes something even better. This dough already served one dream. Now it's about to rise into another. I didn't throw it away. I gave it another chance. And look what it's becoming. In my kitchen, leftovers don't mean less. They mean possibilities. Same dough, different shape, new story. I could have thrown this dough away and no one would notice. But I choose to look at it again. Leftover doesn't mean useless, and small doesn't mean finished. This dough already worked hard once, and now it's been given another chance. I fold it gently, not rushing, because even second chances deserve care. With every roll, I am reminded that life doesn't always start fresh. Sometimes it continues from what is left. Into the oven it goes, turning simple into irresistible. So golden, cheesy, and freshly baked mini pizza done. Small pizza, big joy. Quick, easy, and so delicious. This mini pizza is perfect for any time of the day. Soft base, rich toppings, and melted cheese. Homemade happiness in minutes. Freshly baked, simple, delicious. When it enters the heat, it won't be punished, it will be transformed. What looked like extra will rise with purpose. What seems forgotten will come out golden. This is a proof that nothing is ever wasted when you believe in process. What was once leftover is now golden. What could have been ignored was given time, heat, and belief. This croissant is more than dough. It's a reminder that second chances rise beautifully. That patience turns effort into reward. Hi! And that when you don't give up on what is left, you create something warm, flaky, and worthy of prize. Nothing was wasted. Nothing was wasted. Okay, everything became something beautiful. Leftover though perfected. My heart and voice I raised to spread Messiah's praise. Messiah's praise, let all repeat. The universal Lord by whose almighty word creation rose in form complete. So I'm using sesame and black seed on top of my croissant. Then I'll bake it. Yeah, so now let's see. I open the oven and feel the heat fade into satisfaction. This is the moment where patience show its reward. Every step before now mattered. The kneading, the waiting, the layering, the trust in the process. Ha! I lift the pizza gently because effort deserves respect. What went as a simple ingredient comes out as something warm, complete, and rare. I arrange carefully, not for perfection, but for pride. This is more than food. It proves that small beginnings can finish beautifully. Nothing was rushed, nothing was wasted, and nothing was done without intention. As I set it down to serve, I remind myself good things takes time, and when they are ready, they speak for themselves. This pizza is done, and so is the doubt. Only satisfaction remains. If you are still watching, thank you so much. From effort to oven to table, worth it. Small pizza, big smile. Thanks for watching. If you love mini pizzas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next